Did you know that every name in the Pandemonium Matrix, the list of demons found in the Lemurian Necronomicon, is determined by the Numogram? Each zone of the Numogram has a specific sound, and when two zones are combined to form a net span, those sounds form the demon's name. Let's dive right in. As you can see in the picture on screen, each zone of the Numogram has a different sound. 0 is E-I-A-O-U-N-G, 1 is G-L, 2 is D-T, 3 is Z-X, 4 is G-T, 6 is T-C-H, 7 is P-B, 8 is M-N, N is T-N. Now, not all of these letters are used. Usually, 1 or 2 letters from the sound are used in a demon's name, and then vowels are inserted to make the name pronounceable. For example, the net span 3-1 demon is ZX plus gal. That with some added vowels and removed letters gives us Ixagul, the name of that demon.